Welcome to Precalculus Concept 6C. Today we are going to find the probability that an event will occur, and there are 3 boxes. So let's get going right away. Let's start off with an example. Let me shrink this down so you can see. Let's start off with an example. You are dealt 1 card from a standard 52 deck card, or card deck. Find the probability of being dealt a heart. Okay, so in case you're not familiar with a deck of cards, here is what a deck of cards looks like. There are 4 suits. There's clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. Clubs are black, diamonds are red, hearts are red, and spades are black. And then there is an ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to a jack, king, and a queen. So all together they make 52 cards total, and we want the probability of being dealt a heart. So to calculate this, we want the probability of getting dealt a heart. Okay, so the probability is going to be a fraction. The number on the bottom is all the total possible outcomes in the sample space. And in this case, there are 52 possible equally likely outcomes. And we want to know how many of these are hearts. Well, if you look here at this row right here, you can see that if I got any one of those, that would be a heart. Well, you have to ask yourself, how many are there? Well, there's 13, okay? 13 out of 52 simplifies to a fraction of 1/4, and we always want to reduce our fractions when dealing with probability. So therefore, the probability of getting a heart from a regular 52 deck of cards is 1/4. Okay, box number 2 is a U try. You are dealt 1 card from a standard 52 card deck. Find the probability of being dealt an 8. And I gave you the picture there just in case you needed it. Hopefully you got the right answer of 1 out of 13. Here's how I got it. The probability of getting an 8 is equal to the number of ways that we could pull an 8, and there are 4 of them. So look here, right? I can get the ace of clubs, the ace of diamonds, the ace of hearts or spades, and there are a grand total of 52 decks or 52 cards in the deck. So therefore, 4 out of 52 can simplify to 1 out of 13. Okay, box number 3 is the lotto example. This is one of my favorite problems. Don't worry about copying down the problem. It's on page 1020 in case you want to take a look at it. So just follow along with what I'm doing here. Florida's lottery game, Lotto, is set up so that each player chooses 6 different numbers from 1 to 53. If the 6 numbers chosen match the 6 numbers drawn randomly, the player wins the top cash prize. You know, as of this writing, the top cash prize has ranged from 7 million to 106.5 million. So with 1 lotto ticket, what is the probability of winning this prize? Okay, really good fun problem here. One thing to note is that it does not matter. It does not matter the order in which our numbers match. So as an example, let's say if the winning ticket was 5, 17, 13, 21, how many do I get here? 6, 50, and let's say 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It doesn't matter what order those are picked, okay? So as an example, what's the probability that we got this? So here's what you have to understand. This is a combination problem, all right? So from the grand total of 53, from the 53 total numbers that we have, okay, we want to combine or choose any 6 of them. This is going to be the number that goes on the denominator of our particular problem here. So we need to figure out what 53 choose 6 is. The reason is because we have 53 total numbers, and we want to combine any 6 of them, and we don't care what order they come. So we need our calculators for this one. So we're going to punch in 53. We're going to go math. We're going to go all the way over, and we're going to go to option number 3, and we want to choose 6. Okay, that is this number there, 229,57,480. Okay, so this is equal to 229,57,480. Okay, so the probability that we're going to win with exactly 1 ticket, it says it right there, 1 lotto ticket, is just going to be 1 out of 229,57,480. So comma there, comma there. So basically 1 in 23 million that you're going to get this, that you're going to win the lottery here. Okay. So the big idea here is understanding that you have to figure out how many ways can we combine 6 numbers from the 53, and that number is your denominator.